Hey, look around, and what's on your plate? For most of human history, our food has come directly from the earth through traditional farming. But what if I told you that the very way we produce, consume, and even think about food is on the cusp of a revolution? Today, we're diving into the future of food. The simple truth is, feeding a growing global population, projected to hit nearly 10 billion by 2050, on a finite planet with a changing climate, is one of the humanity's biggest challenges. Traditional agriculture, while essential, faces immense pressure: land scarcity, water shortages, pest outbreaks, and a massive carbon footprint. We need solutions that are more sustainable, more efficient, and more resilient, and that's where innovation steps in. First up, vertical farms. Imagine skyscrapers, but instead of offices, they're filled floor after floor with lush, vibrant crops. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in cities all over the world. So how do they work? Think of them as giant climate-controlled greenhouses stacked vertically. Plants grown in precisely engineered environments, often without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions, a process called hydroponics and aeroponics. They are embedded in a perfect spectrum of LED lights and tailored to maximize growth. The benefits are astounding. First of all, massive efficiency. Vertical farms use up to 95% less water than traditional farming because water is recycled. Second, space savers. They can grow exponentially more food per square foot, making fresh produce accessible even in dense urban areas, reducing transportation costs and emissions. Third, pesticide-free. Because they are indoors and controlled, there is no need for harmful pesticides. Lastly, weatherproof. No droughts, no floods, no unexpected frosts. Consistent year-round production regardless of climate. From leafy greens and herbs to strawberries and even some root vegetables, vertical farms are bringing fresh, nutritious food closer to our planets than ever before. It's a truly game changer for urban food security. But what about protein? The global demand for meat is soaring, but conventional meat production is resource intensive and has significant environmental impacts. Enter the next revolutionary concept, lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat or cell-based meat. No, we're not talking about synthetic Frankenstein food here. This is real meat, made from animal cells, without the need to raise and slaughter animals. The process starts with a small sample of animal cells, taken harmlessly from a living animal. These cells are then given the perfect nutrients, temperature, and environment in a bioreactor, where they naturally grow and multiply, just as they would inside an animal's body, forming muscle and fat tissue. The result? Actual meat. Beef, chicken, fish, with the same taste, texture, and nutritional profile as conventionally farmed meat. The potential benefits are enormous. Environmental impact. Dramatically reduced land and water use, and significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to the traditional livestock farming. Animal welfare. No animal suffering involved in the production process. Food safety. Produced in sterile, controlled environments, reducing risks of bacterial contamination. Sustainability. Offers a sustainable way to meet the world's growing protein needs. While still largely in a pilot and regulatory approval stage, companies around the world are making incredible progress. Imagine a future where your favorite burger or chicken nugget is produced sustainably, cell by cell. Vertical farms and lab-grown meats are just two examples of incredible innovation happening in food science and technology right now. They represent a shift towards a more resilient, sustainable, and ethical food system for everyone. The future of food isn't just about what we eat, but how we produce it. It's about leveraging science and technology to nourish our planet and its people. It's exciting, it's innovative, and it's happening faster than you might think. Thanks for watching. See you next time!